Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get a job at Walmart. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Reddit where I found a guy who perfectly explained a good way to get a job at Walmart. As you can see guys right here, this guy asked best way to get a job at Walmart. Hello, so I stopped by in the morning. Their phone are down and talked to the people lead about securing an overnight position. She said it's up to the overnight coach. So she took my name and number and told me that she'll give them my information. How long should I wait before I reach out first? I'm just worried that the note could never get to them after all. This was about 8 in the morning, and overnights starts at 9 or to 10. Would she hand it to them personally, give it to someone else to hand it to them personally, or did she mean she'll send them an email? I just have doubts that I'll get to them. Also, if I do end up reaching out and stopping by, do you guys think I should talk to the people lead again for an update? Or should I come in around 9 or 10 and find a coach myself and talk to them? Thanks in advance. As you can see guys, this guy answered, the best way to get a job at Walmart is just apply online. Applying in person doesn't really work at Walmart anymore and actually lowers your chance of getting anywhere as you don't get put into the system and don't take an assessment to see if you're a good fit for the job. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.